Good morning everyone. Welcome to our channel RDS Group class. As you know that we have yesterday completed our book exercise and also explanation is completed. So today we will move forward to our activity. So first you all will mention the date and after that write the heading activity. So in activity write the heading draw oblique paste the picture of Samudragupta. Draw paste the picture of Samudragupta. Okay. So everybody draw or paste whatever is easy for you. So everybody complete this activity. Now come to the next page. So first you write the thought. Before writing the thought, everybody write the mention the date 4/9/2020. Now write the thought. Listen very carefully. Samudragupta was one of the first ruler of India who unified the entire subcontinent. Samudragupta was one of the first ruler of India who unified the entire subcontinent. Chapter 7 King of Kings. Who has written this chapter? By Anuran Chatterjee. By Anuran Chatterjee. Difficult words with their meaning and synonyms. Difficult word with their meaning and synonym. Serial number 1. Number one word is invaders. Invaders means क्या होता है? Invaders means attackers. ठीक है, आक्रमणकारी जो होते हैं, विदेशी आक्रमणकारी are known as invaders. Invaders, meaning of invaders is attackers. Attackers. Synonym of attackers looter and occupier. Looter and occupier. नंबर 2 इंस्क्राइब. इंस्क्राइब जैसे पत्थर पे जो पहले क्या होता था, पत्थरों पे लोग अपनी बातों को लिखवा देते थे. वट एवर दे वॉन्ट टू से टू दियर सब्जेक्ट दे ऑल रोट इन देयर they all wrote on pillars, on stones. Okay, so inscribed means marked with words, and synonym of inscribed are write stamp. Write stamp. Number 3 enthusiasm. Enthusiasm is interest. Interest. Synonym of interest are eagerness, passion. Eagerness, passion. Number 4 disappointed. Disappointed means depressed. Disappointed means depressed. Depressed, synonym of depressed are upset, let down. Disappointed meaning है इसका depressed और synonym है इसके upset और let down. Number 5 turbulent. Turbulent means disturbed. Turbulent means disturbed and synonym of disturbed are disconnected, broken. Disconnected, broken. Number 6 prosperity. Prosperity, meaning of prosperity is success. Success and synonym of success are wealth and success. I have written again. Okay, sorry, I will change this. Prosperity means success and one synonym for this wealth. There are so many synonyms. I will cut this. इसके success की जगह मैं कुछ और लिख दूँगी. Next one is force. Force means to form. To form, make by concentrated effort. To form, make by concentrated effort. Synonyms are cast, set up. Cast, set up. Next, serial number 8 word. Alliances. Alliances, meaning of alliances are relationship based on similarity of interest. A relationship based on similarity of interest. And synonym of alliances are association or union. Association or union. Decrease. Decrease means law or order. Meaning of decrease is law or order. And synonyms of decrease are command and rule. Command and rule. Next one is righteous. Righteous means meaning of righteous is morally right. Righteous means morally right and synonyms of righteous is virtuous, ethical. Virtuous, ethical. Next one is flourished. Flourished means grow. Flourished means grow and synonym of flourished are develop, raise. Develop, raise. Number 12 is charitable. Charitable means humanitarian. Meanings are humanitarian and synonyms are generous, liberal. Generous, liberal. Okay, so everybody complete the word meaning when I will provide you PDF. After that, see the format of question answer. So everybody first write the short answer question 1 answer, then underline, question 2 answer, then underline, then next heading long answer, question 1 answer, and everybody make underline. After that, question 2 answer, question 3 answer, and after completing one answer, everybody will underline it. Answer the following questions with reference to context. So everybody start. He was sick qualities, and question A answer and question B answer. Second, he also dash joy. So these are the questions related to the reference of context. So everybody write question A and question B. After writing one answer, everybody make underline. Next, see the question answer. First question is, what was the decision taken by Chandragupta first which was disliked by some and liked by many? Listen, Chandragupta first, answer is Chandragupta first was taken decision to make king to his younger son, to make king to his younger son. Next one is, how far did Samudragupta's reign extend? So answer is Samudragupta's reign extended till east, west, north and south. East, west, north and south. Next, what qualities of Samudragupta made him an ideal emperor? So answer is Samudragupta was a musician, poet, philosopher, great thinker, and he was very charitable and righteous. These qualities made him an ideal emperor. Next question is, how did Samudragupta achieve his first step of uniting many nations under his rule? Answer is Samudragupta decided that political unity under a single ruler was the only way ahead. So in political way, he united all regions in his region. Next, describe the character of Samudragupta in your own words. Answer is Samudragupta was a great ruler. He was poet, a musician, a philosopher and a great thinker. He was very powerful, charitable and righteous. Next, answer the following questions with reference to context. So, he was a genius with many different qualities. Number 1, who is he being referred to here? Answer is in this sentence. Here is given a sentence, he was a genius with many different qualities. So answer is, who is being referred here? He is being referred to Samudragupta here. Next, wait. Next question is, what qualities are being discussed here? Answer is, his qualities of poet, musician, philosopher and thinker are being discussed here. Next one question, he also publicly announced his decision in court. Many people received this news with great enthusiasm and joy. So number A is, who is he being referred to here? Answer, he is being referred to Chandragupta first. Okay, next one is, what decision is being talked about here? So answer is, Chandragupta had taken decision of making his younger son king. This decision is being talked here. So as you have all seen that we have completed our word meaning, difficult word with their difficult word with their meaning and synonym, and also we have completed our question answer. So now this chapter is completed. Tomorrow I will send you PDF. That is clear for today. So when I will provide you PDF, then you all will complete your work. That is clear to all of you? Okay. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you and have a nice day.